After you've set your base cabinets, you can either do your countertop or your appliances next, either whichever works for you. For your appliances, you're going to go to, again, components, load family, and then in your Imperial library, they're actually located under specialty equipment and then domestic. And you'll see they have some kind of basic ones here. They also have what they can call a mid-range option or a high-end option as you go through. So you can choose from any of those. So we'll look at a refrigerator first, and we'll just say a side-by-side mid-range. So you can see there's gas or electric ranges, double ovens, etc., all in here. So we'll hit open, and then you'll place it. Again, it's going to give you those guidelines to align it. And I'm not sure why I didn't go all the way back, but you can adjust that. Now, several of these have the labels showing on them. So if you want to turn that off, you're going to choose where it says refrigerator, or you're going to choose your appliance. Go to edit type, and then you'll see here it says graphics show label. You're going to simply uncheck that and hit OK, and it will turn it off. And then if you want to turn it back on, you'll just do the same thing, going back and checking it to turn it on. Okay, so that's an easy way to turn that off and on. For your oven unit that you put in, and we'll just go over here. So I'm showing that with a tall cabinet and then a double oven. It's going to come in, you're going to have to change the elevation. It's going to come in at 0, 0, which puts it on the floor. So you can change this, and if we go to the elevation view, it's probably the easiest to see. What I would recommend is measuring from the floor to kind of the opening within your cabinet. Let me hide this real quick so you can see. So this is kind of your opening right here. And you're just going to measure what that is. So this is 1'2". And then you can place it. And I actually... Oh, this is the way. I had mine in the wrong place. It's probably the wrong size looking at it, but you'll come in and you will choose your offset from there as it goes through. So I had measured the bottom of it, which was 9 inches as it goes through, and it should be 1 foot 2 inches. But like I said, this should be my unit up here is not matching up. So make sure that it matches up as you use it when you go through. But you'll just click in here to change the elevation for that. Your sink will drop in, and we'll talk about when we do the countertops, because you can either choose it with a built-in sink or you can just have a sink hole. And then if you're doing the double ovens and then the cooktop, I just used a sink base unit for that as well. In the Revit library, there's not like a built-in for just the gas cooktop or the electric, either one, as it goes through. If you place any of your items facing the wrong direction, so whether it's cabinets so appliances, you just need to rotate. If you place your cabinet facing the wrong way, then you'll have the arrows that you can use to flip it as you need to.